Evaluating supplier performance, key steps for quality assurance. Hello, food industry professionals and quality assurance enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling an essential aspect of your business, evaluating supplier performance. I'm Felicia Loo and I'm excited to share vital insights. Let's dive in. Supplier evaluation is a critical part of maintaining the quality and safety of your products. Here are the key steps to ensure your suppliers consistently meet your standards. Establish clear criteria. Define the criteria for supplier evaluation. Consider factors like product quality, on-time delivery, adherence to safety standards, and overall reliability. Regular monitoring. Consistently monitor your supplier's performance. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to track their performance against your established criteria. Collaborative feedback. Maintain open communication with your suppliers. Provide feedback on their performance and discuss any areas that may need improvement. Risk assessment. Assess the potential risks associated with each supplier. Identify any vulnerabilities in your supply chain that may affect product quality and safety. Continuous improvement. Work with your suppliers to implement corrective actions and improvements. A proactive approach to problem solving ensures a better partnership. If you found these steps for evaluating supplier performance valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more food safety and business growth tips. For personalized assistance with supplier evaluation and quality assurance, give us a call at 1-236-513-2488.